Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw George Pig as he turns into a knight. First, let's draw the shape of George Pig's knight helmet. Then, the shape of his body. The shape of his face. Let's draw his nose, his eyes, his lip, and cheek. Let's draw the comb of his knight helmet. Look, George Pig opened his eyes. Let's draw the shield. Then, his arms and hands. Next, his legs and shoes. And his tail. Join me as we add color to George Pig together. Let's put a gray color on his knight helmet. Would you like to wear a knight costume to your Halloween gathering? That would be interesting. A lighter pink color on his face. Look at George Pig. He looks like a knight. And he is ready to guard you. A pink color on his cheek. A combination of fuchsia pink and yellow color on the comb of the helmet. George Pig is acting like a true knight by swaying his shield. A gray color on his body. A combination of orange and red color on his shield. A lighter pink on his arms, tail, and legs. Finally, a black color on his shoes. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.